Okay, I made it.
Welcome to the vlog. So this one includes Star Wars Day, which was pretty crazy, a couple of gift baskets that people gave us, as well as organizing parts of the bathroom with new things that I purchased from Amazon. I also bought some plants because I want to start doing some gardening this summer, so stay tuned for some gardening stuff, but I was just excited to get the process started. I got a garden plot at our building and I plan to put a flower stand or a pot situation on our balcony. So I'm gonna head to Home Depot and pick up some equipment, basically. I need some gardening equipment. I need the planter pot. I need some flowers to start it off. I need some mulch. So yeah, I don't know which of those things is happening today, but I'm going to Home Depot. I changed my mind. I'm going to Canadian Tire.
Okay, I made it.
Going for flowers. So the last store's garden center is closed this season. Okay, apparently you can do that. But this one is exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, I think I'm gonna need to buy mulch from this one. Or not mulch, I keep saying mulch, soil. I need to buy soil from here. I'm gonna get into this and not film. I need to figure this out. I'd say that was a success. I'm just so like confused as to why the Canadian Tire one is closed. Maybe they just like couldn't get the flowers this year, or they didn't have good business last year. I'm not sure. I did get a couple of things for our vegetable garden plot. They didn't have cilantro, which is the only like herb I actually really wanted to get, so that was disappointing. But I did get strawberries, which was interesting. I put them all in that big planter pot, which they won't all live there permanently, but I did get some tulip bulbs. Not tulip bulbs, I got dahlias. I got dahlia bulbs and a different bulb that I don't know what the plant is called, but I'll have to figure out how I'm gonna put that in the large planter pot as well. I said I was gonna find the card when we got back, and it is May 4th. Happy Star Wars Day. And I found the card in a box after we got back from the storage unit. Bought this perfect card for my friend who's getting married, and it got lost in the move. What is likely going to happen is I will find it when I get back, and I will just have to mail it to her. I gotta have to mail it. I also am aware that it is a birthday card, but I will just cross that part out. She'll be obsessed with it. Oh, but in the honor of Star Wars Day, how do I even describe that situation?
The dude with a storage unit next to us was cleaning out his unit and had just a metric fuck ton of Star Wars stuff.
That's exactly right. So yeah, I have a couple small videos, but basically, yeah, we went today to empty out some stuff that we were still looking for that we had left since before vacation, and I figured that they were just moving out and I didn't know it was like a sale, but like I was like, oh, you got some really cool stuff, because I saw this huge Millennium Falcon and an AT-AT and was like, oh, okay, that's sick, I love that. And he was like, well, it's for sale, so like you can come look, and we did. Starting with little things, we do like these. We have a Cad Bane and the hat, which was good. I really like him him wearing the hat. We got a Savage from Clone Wars, also very, very good. Got a Kit Fisto, also Clone Wars, and of course, because it's me, a Chewbacca. And then the one thing that I really wanted was a Rex, like a really big Captain Rex who speaks. So
Activate the guns. Copy that, sir.
does this do something?
We could use a Jedi about now.
I found a new one.
Nice.
There's another button.
Get ready to turn those clankers into scrap metal.
Amazing. But yeah, happy Star Wars Day. So I've measured it, and I think this is the right width for the drawer. In terms of the depth, I need to double check that. But I've configured some of this, and we have LED madness. Oh my god. So light. Okay, I will put the flowers in the box first. He won't mind either way. Oh, I like these. We don't have any of these. Okay, I'm just gonna look through.
I bought one for myself too.
They're really nice.
They're really nice.
Oh, are these plates?
Yeah.
Yay, we don't have a lot of
So
those
you like
either.
that.
That was a good idea.
The basket's yours too.
Oh, yay! Oh, this is nice. The scented. We don't have any of this. We threw so much stuff away.
Good.
Where'd you get the basket from?
Always home sense.
It's a home scent. Ah, I love home scents. Oh, thank you.
You're most welcome.
Cool. Once we have a kitchen table, I will put all the flowers at the center of the table, like right there in the circle.
She's like, I can't wait.
I've got all the plans. This is an insane gift basket. Wow. Okay, so it's time to figure this situation out. And there's a lot of stuff in here right now, but that's as far back as the drawer goes. And as you saw, I have all of the little container pieces measured out. Should fit perfectly, but I'm gonna go and empty that one first because I know it's gonna fit in some way, even if it's not this full set of dimensions that I've laid out here. So yeah, I'm just gonna give that a go. I have to clear off part of you because you only have like 25 seconds left somehow. Haha, okay. So because they're at an angle instead of straight up, they don't fit. So I'm gonna have to figure out another, you know, configuration, which I suspected, but hey, we're gonna figure it out and then we're gonna put everything in as intended and then have a little extra space, but that's okay. I'm not surprised because this is also at an angle here with this side of the drawer and this side of the drawer that it's not a perfect fit. This is also why I've never tried to do this at a previous place because it's just kind of a flip of a coin what you're getting. A spot for everything, but I'm doing my best, and a lot of it just is keeping stored up here because I went back and forth between most reached for items and essentials versus not. So everything that's like a backstock item got pushed behind in that Lazy Susan, and just like I stored behind like sunscreen for full body and stuff. Face sunscreens are in here, but lotions easy to reach have to go here, can't be laying down. Backstock deodorant is staying down here just because I think it fits better this way. Toilet paper gets stored on this side, which is why I'm not really venturing off to this end with anything. And all of my makeup seems to have found a good place there, and I don't want to have any of that actually leaning over, like laying down, because I don't want it to spill. So I think these are actually better to be upright here. I was trying to see if I could color coordinate different sections for like hair versus like face versus whatever, but honestly not really. It's whatever it is, and then I'll do a shuffle of this. We know me, it's gonna change, it'll evolve. So here's what we got for now though. Okay, so if you can hear the dryer, that's just what's going on behind me. I have a couple of leftover containers that are sitting on the island over there, you can probably see behind me, and those will end up going in my nightstand when we get our nightstands, because we don't have any nightstands. So what's in the basket? We did a little overview when she was here, but that was my realtor as well as one of my foodie friends. So the flowers also, you can probably see in that nice vase behind me over there. Obsessed with those, love those. Swedish dishcloths, there's 12 of them, and they're in different colors, and they're so peachy and cute for summer. So I'm really excited to have these, 3 of each of these styles right down here, or if you prefer, this right here. There are, I thought there were only 3, but there are 5 gift cards to Save on Foods, and each one is $100. So thank you, because groceries will be covered. These plates are very cute. So these are from Indigo, the OE brand. There are 4 little side plates. I don't have a lot of their dishware and their kitchen things because it's very expensive sometimes. So very cute that we have these. This one is maybe under the mistletoes. These must have been on clearance from Christmas time, but that's fine. Merry everything. Go. 3rd one. And the 4th one is Holiday Magic with little mushrooms on it. So these are very cute. I already have some serveware and different things that I've picked up from HomeSense that I liked when we lived in downtown, just to get myself excited back when I was like mentally so ready to go, but we had like another month to go. We also have Amazon packages showing up this week, so there's gonna be a couple more videos and hauls because, you know, our place is slowly coming together and in a really, really fun way. And finally, this really cute like basket that she put them in. Very, very nice, very, very kind, a lovely housewarming gift from a realtor. And I don't know what we're gonna do with this basket yet, but I'm excited for it. We also did a huge order on Wayfair for their Way Day sale, or May Day. I think it's Way Day, even though it's in May. I keep wanting to say May Day, but like it's Way Days sale. So it goes until the 6th of May, but they had a lot of stuff on sale as well as free shipping on everything. So we got our kitchen table from there. We got a little side table for this couch and a couple of cups, and there was a fourth thing. Oh, 2 loungy, or not loungy, just chairs for the balcony that we could use as soon as possible. They're all being delivered anywhere between before this Friday and the first week of July, which is nuts, I know, but like 8 weeks for our kitchen table, so whew. But the Amazon orders that should be coming in contain the bar stools, or the counter stools, that's not bar height, the counter stools. On the way home, she also drove me to a local nursery where I picked up one more plant. We're gonna do some gardening videos in the next one or later in this video. I can't really tell how my videos are being broken up from when I've gotten back from vacation, but there's definitely going to be videos for gardening and for all the flowers that I plan to plant on the balcony and different planters. So we've got a lot of like bulbs and different things that can go there. And Tuesday it's gonna be very sunny, so I think we're gonna save that for Tuesday. Now I'm just gonna hang out and watch TV because I've had a nice relaxing day and this gift box has been fabulous. So I'm just like gonna chill. Did I show you the bench? I didn't show you the bench. Hold on. There's a bench. I bought this bench back when we lived in our old place, like over 2 months ago. Like it was like the beginning of March, and we didn't have our storage unit yet. We didn't have anything, but there's a wooden bench that I bought. It's hiding over here. It's perfect for the entryway because we can like tie shoes on it, we can sit on it. This area might become a little crowded once our desk arrives, but for now, this is where it is, and if it needs to move to the balcony or become extra seating for when we are hosting people, it will be exactly that. So yes.